Okay, the next thing is to make this reusable, so it's a function. So I'm going to say here, function here. I'll call it calculate, and I'll say here score, and let's do curly brackets. I'll tab this, make sure the curly bracket is at the end here, and you're going to return status, which is this value right here, and instead of hard coding the 75, you're going to put in you're going to put in the variable score, which is up here. So now we've made this what did I say? We made this now a function. So I want to test a series of numbers. I love arrays. Let's do 100, let's do 90, let's do 60, let's do 70, 80, 70, and let's do 60, let's do 50, and let's do 0. Let's test all these scores, and in between here, let's type in a 95, let's type in a comma here, 85, 86, and you know what, I just need more numbers, 82, and I think that's enough numbers. So we can test all these numbers here. So what I'm going to do here is let's type in for each. Okay. And in this for each, we will type in here, this takes in one parameter, we'll say here, and I'll say, let's put this anonymous function here, curly brackets there, and then here I can say constant here, answer is equal to calculate score. I'm sorry, it's not score, it's actually E. Because remember, E right here is going to represent the first time 100, then it's going to represent 95, then it's going to represent 90, okay? So that's what this will do. What I want to do in this example, I want to add the actual score that the user put in. So I'm going to say here, status.score is equal to the score that they entered in. That way, when we're looking at the answer, we can see that where that answer came from in the result. So I'll run that just to show you what it's doing. Let's do a node, and then GPA, and I hope that works. Okay. What's going on? Nothing's, oh, I forgot to print it out to the console. So I'll say console here, log, and we're going to print out the answer. That's why nothing came out. And let's see if it looks right. This is the score that I entered in, was the 95. And I don't see the one with the 100. Is it because I don't have enough room? Okay, there it goes. 100 gave me an A, perfect. 95 gave me that. 90 gave me the A. 85 gave me the B, and so on. So with this array, I was able to express a series of tests in one shot. So now the next goal now is to export this and make this available to the web service. All right, with that, good luck and good coding. Hope you had fun testing.